India welcomes the world with open arms. For the first time ever, Kho is about to go global. 24 countries, 6 continents. Nations from across the globe will unite in the birthplace of this legendary sport. Kho World Cup coming to India in January 2025. The world goes Kho.
Rooted in India's vibrant culture, one of its oldest indigenous sports is experiencing a powerful renaissance. Kho, at one time played on open fields, is now moving and creating ripples on international arena. This is its journey from local fields to global arena. As Kho's popularity grew, the need was felt to formalize it. The modern version of the game was standardized in 1914 by the Deccan Gymkhana Club that laid down its rules and structure. Later, Bal Gangadhar Tilak created Kho's first rule book that laid the foundation of its organized play. By the 20th century, Kho federations were established to elevate the sport, increase its popularity in the global space, and also improve its standards. Notably, Kho was even demonstrated at the 1936 Berlin Olympics along with other Indian sports. In this segment, we take you through the Kho Odyssey, a transformative saga that traces the journey of sport from mitti to mat.
1914. The humble beginnings. First study of Kho focused on speed, agility and teamwork. 1936. Global spotlight. Featured as the demonstration sport at the Berlin Olympics. 1987. Formation of AKKF. Asian Kho Federation established during the 3rd South Asian Games in Calcutta. 2018. Global expansion. IKKF launched in London with an international tournament featuring teams from India, Scotland, Wales and England, highlighting Kho's growing Western popularity. 2020 Coaching Camp. KKFI organized an international coaching camp training 65 players from 16 countries. 2022 The Ultimate Kho. India's first professional Kho league drew 193 million viewers in 2 seasons, 2022 to 2023, becoming the 3rd most watched non-cricket event. 2023 4th Asian Championship, hosted in Guwahati with participation from 9 countries. 2024 56th National Kho Championship, held in New Delhi. The tournament witnessed over 3 million engagements. Team participation grew from 33 to 39. 2025, a landmark year for Kho. First ever Kho World Cup. 24 countries spanning 6 continents, include 20 men's team and 20 women's team, will participate in the World Cup, scheduled from January 13 to 19, 2025.
Kho has now gained recognition beyond India, with international tournaments being organized and the Indian players proudly representing the nation on the global stage.
साउथ कोरिया को छूने इंग्लैंड मुड़ेगा, नेपाल से ऑस्ट्रेलिया जुड़ेगा, इंडिया उड़ेगा, इंडिया उड़ेगा, इंडिया उड़ेगा, खुशी से खुशी से इंडिया उड़ेगा, खुशी से इंडिया उड़ेगा, खुशी से इंडिया उड़ेगा, इंडिया उड़ेगा.
Despite its increase in popularity, Kho continues to struggle on several fronts. Once confined to the rural space, it still struggles for mainstream recognition. And from players' point of view, there are financial issues, lack of media coverage, and also dearth of international exposure. Kho-Kho has immense potential, but when it comes to matching the more popular sports like cricket and football, that's still a journey that it has to undertake. But with the rise of leagues, more so recently, there are some improvements that are notable.
आउट होते समय कौन सा सिग्नल दिया जाता है, आप इसको देख लीजिएगा। ए,
मुझे बड़े हर्ष से और बड़े गर्व से कहना है कि हमारे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर होंगे सलमान खान। आज खो खो 55 देशों में खेला जाता है, जो हम लोगों के लिए गर्व की बात है। मिट्टी से मैट पे आया, मैट से अब इसका सौंधापना विश्व भर में फैल गया है। 24 टीम आ रही हैं, सारे कॉन्टिनेंट्स की टीम आ रही हैं। हर भारतीय के लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है।